Hi friends, in this video I'll talk about why everyone should learn coding in college, and I'll give you the three reasons. I will not talk much, but three reasons why everyone should learn coding in college. So before I start this, I want to give brief introduction about myself. My name is Manmohan Gupta, and I did my graduation in 1994, long time back, from IT Delhi. And I was so much passionate about coding that I started my coding when I was in 7th 8th grade. That was a time when PCs were not out, so I used to code on Sinclair computers. So when I was in college, I co-founded Vidyamandir classes with my brother. So if you are pass out from Vidyamandir classes, you know about this. And then when I passed from college from IIT, I started Nagarro software company with my college friends, and you might have heard the name of Nagarro, or maybe you might be in the list of the companies you want to join Nagarro. And then recently, a few years back, I started Coding Blocks with some other partners, and it was an initiative to give back to society because I have seen the college students, I've seen how much potential they have, but they're not groomed properly in college. They're not being exposed to the industry. There's a gap between industry and college, so we started Coding Blocks so that we can train people, we can prepare people for college. So now I'll come to this, why everyone should learn coding in college, and the three prime reason. So maybe let me write the first one. The first is dream job after college. Everyone wants to join a company which is in the list of their dream job, or maybe it is not the company, it might be the location. You want to choose a location you want to work for, or maybe the salary package. Some people, they join job because their prime reason is that they get a decent salary package, they get a salary package which is high. And I've seen that depending upon what kind of companies you're aiming, how much you learn at college, the salary difference can be 5 to 6 times. So, some people start at 3 to 4 lakhs per annum salary, and then people also get 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs, and see the huge difference. And the difference is first based on the college, but that's the one thing. Other thing is your knowledge. What if you're into software, if you're planning, if you are going to apply in software industry, then what knowledge you have about the software, whether you're able to crack the interviews of your dream company or not. So that's a very important factor to learn coding in college, that after passing college you should be able to join your dream company, whether it's a name of the company, whether it is a salary package you want, whether the location you want to choose. So that's a big enough reason to learn coding in college. Second thing is strong fundamentals. So that I'm sure that you would have heard that, or you would have felt that technology is changing at a very fast rate. Every month there is a new technology, but the core of every technology is same, the fundamental same. The whether you say it's making the logics, how to convert the problem into logical steps, or you can say the data structures, whatever your understanding is. But I can tell you, if you have a very strong core fundamental knowledge of the things, then you can learn every technology very easily. And like when you join a job, you would hardly get enough time to make this core strong. It's because you every day you have to go to job, you have to work for 8 hours to earn your salary package. So whatever comes on your plate, you have to do it. At that time, if you decide to make your core strong, you will never get that time. So college is the best time to make your core strong. So and if that core is strong, irrespective of what technology you are working, how much experience you have when you go in the industry, for you picking up new things would be very easy. So that's the second reason people should spend ample time on coding in college. Third, and the final reason I'll give you is that the attitude building. attitude building, or we say attitude to make things work. So this might be a little difficult to understand, but I can try to explain you what this attitude thing is. So maybe if you have learned the basic programming, when you write your first code or first few codes, first few programs you make, so things sometimes with lack of experience, it takes time to come to the right solution. But if you have that attitude that you want to make things work, if some problem is there, you will do your best to troubleshoot that and to find a solution for that. And as I've seen people, there are various kind of people I work with in the industry. There are people who, if I ask them to work on new technology, some new stuff, read it over the night and do something, or read it in few days and do something, so they're not able to do it because they don't have the the power from inside, or we can say attitude from inside, or you can say the zeal to do things, that focus and attitude to do things, because they have never done that before and they end up not doing that. But people who, जैसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि लगू है, पैशनेट है, सो वो लग जाता है उसके पीछे करने के लिए, तो वो जो कोडिंग में चाहिए होता है, because things sometimes things are changing, things are complex, things don't work in instantly. You have to keep doing working on things, then only you're able to do it. And sometimes depending upon what company you will join, you might be assigned a very complex task. तो पहला यही होगा कि इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स होगा शुरू में, तो आपको you might not be able to find a solution for it, but you have to keep trying, you have to keep on doing and keep trying to find a solution. So that attitude building is again very difficult when you join the industry. The best time is the college time, because in college time you have plenty of time, though you have to do your college studies, you have to give exams and all, but still you have plenty of time as compared to when you will be working in a job. And I can tell you, if you respectively join a small company or big company, startup company, well established company, you will not able to finish your 8-hour work in 8 hours. Generally you have to have work extra. There are releases and you have to spend hours and hours in the office, and during that time building that kind of attitude that you can pick up any kind of work, any kind of technology, complex work, changing things is very difficult. But in college, if you do more and more coding, automatically this thing will come up, you will learn this thing. So now finally I'll summarize that three reasons I have told you that everyone should learn coding. And just when I say coding, it's not the theoretical coding. It's not about learning the the syntax or the commands or the concepts. It's about doing hands-on coding. So everyone should spend ample time on coding in college. You have to make like 200-300 programs at least in college. And three reasons, again I repeat, the first one is if you are strong in coding in college, you can pursue your dream job. Your chances to join the dream company goes up like anything. And then the core fundamentals. If you have very strong core fundamentals, you can learn any technology at a later stage, and then you can change, or whatever company you want to work for, like after say 5-10 years, you have that power. And third thing is the attitude building. So if you can build that attitude that you can pick up any kind of technology, any kind of work, any level of work, you will rule this industry. Thank you.